Hello, hi, welcome back. Today I bring you a beautiful dish Chana Sukke, which is specially made during the Nativity of Mary's feast coming up soon as jevche Minthi Festive. So let's get started and how to make it. First, soak the chana overnight and cook it with 3 whistles. Make sure not to overcook it. Next, roast dry red chilies, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, pepper, cumin seeds, little bit of turmeric powder and 3 garlic cloves. This is enough for 1 cup of chana. Then grind it using tamarind water, but don't over grind it. Keep it a bit coarse as I will show. Now, take a pan and roast grated coconut, then add the cooked chana to it and mix well. If you want to add jaggery, you can add grinded masala to this. Also, add salt according to your taste. Mix everything well for about 60 seconds, then turn off the flame. For the tempering, heat oil and add curry leaves, garlic cloves, add a pinch of hing. Pour this tempering over the chana mixture and close the lid. Your favorite chana sukka is now ready to eat. You can enjoy it with chapati, dosa or rice. It's delicious. This is also a very easy dish, perfect for beginners. So if you are cooking for the first time, you can definitely try this. And don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this easy dish. Enjoy. Till then, tata. Bye.